The immigration attorneys at Florida Law Advisors can assist clients in all types of immigration matters, including family immigration or employment-based, fiance visas, deportation defense, student visas, and acquiring citizenship. The attorneys at our firm are experienced in all types of matters and are dedicated to solving your immigration problems. Regardless whether you need help gaining legal entry into the United States or are fighting deportation to remain here, Florida Law Advisors may be able to help. At Florida Law Advisors, we can assist with more than just preparing the immigration forms and applications. Our team of legal professionals will be by your side every step of the way, delivering top-notch customer service and sound legal representation you can trust. Immigration law can be very complex. It is important that you hire an experienced immigration lawyer who thoroughly understands the law and can use their knowledge and skills to help deliver the results you need. At Florida Law Advisors, we understand that every client's situation is unique and requires personalized service. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to solving immigration matters. There are many types of visas and defenses to deportation available, each with their own unique requirements and procedures. It is important that you hire an immigration lawyer who can customize their representation to the specific facts of each case. At Florida Law Advisors, we can review all the details of your case and help develop a comprehensive legal strategy based on your specific individualized needs. Moreover, we will thoroughly explain the customized legal strategy for your case, answer all your questions, and navigate your case through the appropriate federal agencies. To find out more on how an immigration lawyer at our firm can help, contact us today to schedule a free consultation. Deportation is a frightening thing to face. It can rip families apart, destroy lives, and have other serious effects on individuals and families. However, with the help of an immigration attorney at our firm, you can be confident that we will fight for the outcome that you need. The immigration attorneys at our firm have years of experience in successfully advocating against deportation. In some cases, we are able to effectively fight the deportation by petitioning for cancellation of removal orders, adjustment of status, waivers, and using mistakes made by immigration officers to our client's advantage. Our experience will also help us know exactly what immigration judges are looking for in deportation hearings, and we work tirelessly to provide the evidence and witnesses necessary to help persuade the court to rule against deportation. We understand that keeping your family together and staying in the United States is important, and you can rest assured we will handle these matters with dedication and aggressive legal representation on your behalf. Under current immigration law, U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents can petition to have family members living abroad join them here in the United States. Family-based immigration can allow for children, siblings, parents, and a spouse or fiancé to enter the United States and become lawful permanent residents. However, family-based immigration can unfortunately be a difficult process if you do not have competent legal representation assisting you. That's one of the reasons why it's important to hire an immigration lawyer who has a thorough understanding of the family-based immigration process and legal requirements. Failure to hire a competent attorney can result in the denial of your application and years of delays. If you need help obtaining a family-based visa, Florida Law Advisors may be able to help. Give us a call. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. At Florida Law Advisors, we can also assist with employment-related immigration matters. We can help individuals obtain employment visas that may allow them to come to the United States and remain here on either a temporary or permanent basis. We can also help businesses bring foreign workers to the United States and ensure they are compliant with all employment immigration laws. Unfortunately, without competent legal representation, employment-based immigration can be a very difficult and time-consuming process. The laws in this area are very complex and constantly changing. Each year there are new requirements, new types of employment that may have preference, and new procedures for security of the country. At Florida Law Advisors, our attorneys are always up to date on recent changes in the law and are proficient in obtaining employment-based visas for both employees and businesses. For more information on how we may be able to help with your employment-based immigration needs, contact us today by either phone, email, or through our website. A fiancé visa, or otherwise known as K1 visa, is a temporary visa which allows a fiancé of a United States citizen to enter the United States, get married, and then become a permanent resident. It is important to note that the K1 visa is only temporary. The couple must marry within 90 days of the visa being issued, or else the visa will expire and the fiancé may be forced to leave the United States. There are also several other requirements the couple must satisfy in order for a K1 visa to be issued. For instance, the couple will need to file petitions with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services to adjust the temporary status to permanent resident status within the time allotted. If you'd like more information on how the fiancé program works, contact an immigration attorney at our firm. Obtaining a fiancé visa is an exciting time in a person's life, and we are here to help. Our immigration attorneys can answer your questions, prepare the necessary documents, and help manage your application throughout the visa process. Florida Law Advisors may also be able to assist you with obtaining citizenship. If you've been a permanent resident for a minimum of 5 years, or a permanent resident for at least 3 years while married to a U.S. citizen, or have served honorably in the United States military, you may be eligible to become a U.S. citizen through naturalization. Applicants should be aware that when applying for citizenship, there will be an extensive investigation of the 5-year period immediately preceding your application for citizenship. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services will investigate and ask questions concerning any prior criminal charges and your moral character. It is important to know exactly what the USCIS will be looking for and how to respond to their inquiries, because the outcome of the investigation will be crucial. At Florida Law Advisors, we can help explain what the investigators may be looking for and how to respond to their inquiries. We can help guide our clients throughout the naturalization process and make sure that they are well prepared for any inquiry the USCIS may make. For more information on naturalization, contact us today to speak with an attorney at our firm. When you hire Florida Law Advisors, we can develop a comprehensive strategy for your case and help answer all of your questions while it's navigating throughout the appropriate federal agencies. To find out more on how an immigration attorney at our firm can assist you, contact us today. Our operators are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.